This is breaking news. Now that we covered the Apple one, Apple is out of Russia. Mercedes-Benz is out of Russia. This is so breaking. I love the breaking, Will. The breaking of the news. March 2nd, 2022, 2:42 p.m. on Mercedes-Benz Twitter account, Mercedes-Benz will suspend the export of passenger cars and vans to Russia, as well as the local manufacturing in Russia until further notice. Man, it's a lot of Benzes over there.
Mm-hmm.
You ever been over there, Will?
To Russia? No, I haven't been.
What about to Europe?
No.
It's a lot of Benzes over there.
That's what I heard, yes.
Man, people always get surprised to go over there. They're like, man, the taxi's a Benz. Because, you know.
Are they really?
Well, you know what it's like? Well, let me tell you something. Yeah, type Mercedes-Benz taxi if you want. It's kind of like when you have the beer that you export, you know? You might have a beer brand in your country that you're like, that's toilet water. But then you go somewhere else in the world and it's marketed differently and it's the premium with a crown on it. And you're like, wow, change of pace. Well, Mercedes being local to Europe, that's what the taxis happen to be. And they have, look at that cream color they got going on, man. It's legendary. Particularly if you go to Germany. I can't speak for Russia. I mean, they probably have some other taxi over there. But you know they love the Benzes. You know they love the G-Wagon, right, Will?
Mm-hmm.
Type G-Wagon Russia. Let's see if we can find a picture. I just got a feeling. There you go.
It's a fleet.
Oh, baby. All right. It looks like maybe my feeling was, maybe my intuition was on. Maybe I was onto something there. I don't know. But yeah, this is a big deal. These are big brands, big deals. Will there be other vehicles? Absolutely.
What about Bronco Russia?
Ooh, you didn't even waste time getting to the Bronco topic.
I'm perked up now. How dare you?
I poked the beast. Yeah. The Bronco beast.
You really want a Bronco update this soon?
I do.
Well, he told me that last night he's watching a video replacing or changing the antenna on a Bronco. That's where he's at now.
He's on the DIYs already?
150.
For the Bronco?
I've watched every episode or every video on YouTube about Broncos. Every single one.
Oh, man. Will loves DIYs. So the Bronco crossover with the DIY?
Yeah.
The thing for me is he's gone so far now that, like, my personality type, and I know he can go forever, by the way, on this. Like, as far as, because of what happened with the crypto thing. My personality type, you got to pull the trigger at some point. Like, at this point, he's so deep. How does he bail?
You think he's obligated?
I just don't even know how he bails.
It's the time. It's the time.
No, don't you dare.
He's teased you about it?
Don't you dare. Don't make me open up Auto Trader right now. Don't make me do it, Will.
He'll find a way for you. He'll find a way for you.
I'll line something up.
All right, find me one.
I'll line you up on a
I'll
test drive for the Sasquatch package.
Yeah.
Oh, that's deadly.
Yeah.
I'll line you up with the... Man, those are funny names with the pack. Black Diamond Big Mountain Edition.
Yeah.
Big Bend.
Outer Banks.
Yeah, Ultra Rugged.
Wild Track.
Kick-Ass Edition. You're a Real Man Edition.
What's the badge?
Can I get one of those?
What's the badge on the Real Man Edition? What's the badge look like on the Real Man Edition?
I don't know.
A flexing bicep?
Probably just Joe Rogan.
Just Joe
Yeah, that's all you
Just
need.
his face?
Yeah, no, just the logo.
Oh, okay.
You guys laugh. You could sell that edition. Bronco Rogan
for
edition.
Sure,
Yeah.
for sure.
You know, it's got a spot to put your rifles.
Since we're on it, let me ask you how you feel about the Raptor Bronco.
My bad. Hey, man.
How you feeling about the Raptor Bronco, Lou?
Yeah. I'll take it.
Yeah?
Yeah, no problem.
Horse
You'll
dinosaur?
take it.
The horse dinosaur?
I'll order that up. But the thing is what does it cost? A lot? Probably.
I think it starts 70, they were saying, US.
USD, so it's like $100,000.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's kind of a lot for a Bronco, but I mean, I have the Raptor truck and I like that. So I probably like this. But when does this come out?
I think 2022, but what's the release?
I like the. You
Fully
see,
loaded.
I don't even think you necessarily need this Raptor one. It's already looks so cool. It might look cooler not in the Raptor trim. That right there looks amazing.
It has Sasquatch.
Isn't that the Raptor?
Yeah, you got to get a Sasquatch, Will. For a guy like you,
I don't know.
rugged guy like you,
The Bronco's not something you can go halfway on, eh? Like
no, you order the man edition.
the man edition.
I want the little boy edition, like with the smaller
That's
tires.
the Suzuki Jimny.
It's such a big upgrade, like cost wise.
No, I hear you. Well, I'm joking.
I guess.
I'm joking with you. I'm joking you. I'm just joking you.
You're joshing?
Yeah, relax.
Well, I'm not with this Bronco. I'm pretty serious.
No, I know. You're looking for a serious relationship.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're not goofing.
The chat wants to know real quick, is it actually Will's birthday?
No, absolutely not.
No.
No.
How would you know? Absolutely not. What if it was?
No,
He's got it in his calendar, man.
I know your birthday. Come on, man.
What is it?
You're a Scorpio.
Yeah.
Oh, God.